Want to promote affiliate products but hate being on camera? You don't have to show your face or plaster your name everywhere to make reviews that convert. I'm in ChatGPT and I've asked it to write a friendly beginner level review of affiliate product. It instantly creates a structured review, intro, three benefits, and a closing call to action. No blank page, no awkward staring into a camera. From here, you could open Canva, drop the text into a clean template, and export it as a polished faceless review. That way, you've got a PDF, infographic, or even something you could repurpose later as a blog post. This is a powerful way to start creating faceless content, but it's only the surface. To really make reviews work for you, they need to connect with your funnel, your emails, and your offers. That's exactly what the AI Faceless List Builder helps you do. It gives you AI powered faceless content prompts and complete campaign blueprints so your reviews don't just sit in a file. They seamlessly plug into your funnel and follow up emails. I've linked the AI Faceless List Builder in the description if you want to check it out. You will also get the 30 days of faceless emails with plug and play templates so you will always know what to send after someone grabs your review. And of course, it's covered by a 30-day money back guarantee. So, if you're ready to create faceless reviews that actually lead to commissions, grab the AI Faceless List Builder for less than $20. The link's in the description waiting for you.